Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2016 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab truck that is factory certified. On the outside of this Ram, you'll find power door mirrors, bi-function projector headlights, and a rear backup camera system. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, push-to-start technology, and a power moonroof. The 8.4-inch touchscreen display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This 2016 Ram 1500 has less than 86,000 miles, it's factory certified, and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.